Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to today's class. We have been continuing with exercise 6.4 from the chapter 6 triangles. In previous video, we have covered question number 4 and 5. In today's lesson, we are going to solve the remaining questions. Question number 6. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding medians. It is just like a theorem statement. What is that? Prove that the ratio of the areas of two, or if you forget this word, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. यहाँ पर side लिखा हुआ था. That was the theorem 6.6 I think. So there we have proved it, that theorem and statement, and in the previous questions also we have used that only. If two triangles, it's given that these two triangles are similar to one another, so usually if they are similar, ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to square of their corresponding sides ratio. But यहाँ पे प्रूफ करने के लिए दिया है medians. It is medians. So it is almost like the previous exercise questions. Previous exercise में हमने median को भी same correspondence में दिखाते थे. That means the medians are also in the same correspondence. Here also we show the same, and when we show that they are in the correspondence, then obviously according to the statement उसका square भी correspondence में होगा. So what we will do here, first we will draw the medians from A to BC. This is A to BC, and this median I am naming it as D. A B C D. Then from P to R, here I am taking another median, P to QR, that is I am taking as S. So these are the two medians. Now what we are asked to prove? To prove that area of ABC by area of PQR is equal to square of medians, square of their corresponding medians. Here median is AD by PS. ये हमें proof करना. This is the statement we are asked to prove. So for this we have ABC triangle and PQR triangle. AD and PS are the medians, and ABC PQR are given that they are similar triangles. If they are similar, what is the statement we can write? If two triangles are similar, what is the statement we write? If they are similar, their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. What are their corresponding sides? As triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, therefore AB by corresponding sides ratio PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to CA by RP. This is the statement if two triangles are similar. Not only that, all three angles, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. These three angles are also equal. But here AD and PS, what are they? They are medians. Medians means a line segment drawn to the midpoint of the opposite side. That means this is the midpoint. BC is divided into two parts. So we can write here BD and DC, they both are equal. BD is equal to DC. In other words, we can write it as BD is equal to, we can also write it as BD is equal to half BC. BC का आधा BD होगा. Same here, QS is equal to SR. In other words, we can write QS as half QR. Half QR. Now let us take the statement. Let this be equation 1, and let us take this statement and we will reframe it. What is that statement? AB by PQ. हमें क्या चाहिए करना है यहाँ पे? AD by, जैसे कि AB by PQ है वैसे AD by PS भी करस्पॉन्डेंस में है करके हमें शो करना है. करस्पॉन्डेंस में मीन्स their ratio is equal to another ratios. So AB by PQ is equal to, now in place of BC, what we can write? 2BD. If this is BC, we can write it as BC is equal to 2 into BD. Here QR can be written as 2 into QS. So here we will write, in place of BC I'll write it as 2BD by, in place of QR I'll write it as 2QS is equal to, next CA by RB will be as it is. Now here 2 and 2 they get cancelled. What is left over? AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS is equal to CA by RP. Right? Now consider these two triangles. Remember this one, equation 2. Consider triangle ABD and PQS. In both the triangles we have AB by PQ ratio and we also have BD by QS ratio. सेकंड इक्वेशन में AB by PQ रेशियो इक्वल है, BD by QS रेशियो भी, ये दोनों रेशियोस इक्वल है एक दूसरों से. इन द ABD ट्राइंगल, PQS ट्राइंगल्स, दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में टू साइड्स का जो रेशियो है इक्वल है. तो हमें तीसरा क्या चाहिए? एक एंगल इक्वल होना चाहिए ताकि हम इन दोनों को सिमिलर प्रूव कर सके. These separate triangles, not the bigger triangles are already similar. We need to show that these two smaller triangles are similar. So we have two sides, two pairs of sides are in the similar in the same ratio. Now B is equal to Q already we have written here because the bigger triangles are similar. So therefore in triangle ABD and triangle PQR we have, what do we have? Angle B is equal to angle Q. This is given data. Okay, and AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS. This is what? This is proved above. This is proved above. So therefore we have angle side, angle side. Therefore by SAS criterion, we have triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. Now these two triangles ABD and PQS are also similar. If they are similar, their area ratio of their areas will be equal to square of their corresponding sides ratio. So therefore we'll write the final statement. Therefore area of sorry, before writing this one we need to write this statement. Since these two triangles are similar, so we can write it as AB by PQ is equal to, for these two triangles, AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS is equal to AD by PS. So we'll write here AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS is equal to AD by PS. Now see here in this statement, this is statement equation we have written based on this criterion. Two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, or the ratios of their corresponding sides is equal. So here AB by PQ is equal to AD by PS. AD by PQ is equal to AD by PS. BD by QS is also equal to AD by PS. So in this equation, in this statement, areas of since if two triangles are similar, ABC triangle and PQR triangle, when they are equal, when they are similar, so their corresponding sides square, ratio of their corresponding sides and their square is equal to their areas, right? So we'll write here, therefore from, let this be equation 3, and this here, equation 1 can be again written like this. Equation 1 को इस तरह हम लिख सकते हैं, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square is equal to CA by RP whole square. This is what the general statement. अब हमें AB by PQ की जगह पे AD by PS लिख सकते हैं. We can write in place of AB by PQ as, in place of AB by PQ we can write area of ABC by area of PQR is equal to, in place of AB by PQ we can write here you can write like this from equation 3. From equation 3 AB by PQ की जगह पे हम AD by PS लिखेंगे. AD by PS whole square is equal to BC by QR, they all will be as it is, whole square is equal to CA by RB. So now we have got our statement जो मैं प्रूफ करने के लिए कहा था. What is asked to prove? To prove that area of ABC by PQR is equal to AD by PS whole square. That means square of their corresponding sides, corresponding medians. AD and PS are medians. So उनके स्क्वायर तो आ गया ना, उनका स्क्वायर जो है रेशियो का स्क्वायर is equal to area of the both the triangles. So what we have done in this question, we have taken the given two triangles, they are similar, so written the similarity statement. If they are similar, all their corresponding sides are equal. And not only that, ये statement भी हमें ऊपर लिखना था, area of ABC by PQR is equal to AB by PQ square is equal to BC by QR square is equal to CA by RP square. अब हमें चाहिए था AD by PS रेशियो चाहिए था. So AD by PS रेशियो चाहिए, मतलब ABD PQS ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलर प्रूफ करेंगे तो हमें AB by PQ होगा और AB by PQ इज इक्वल टू BD by QS होगा, एंड देन दैट इज इक्वल टू AD by PS भी होगा. यानी कि AD by PS जो रेशियो है AB by PQ के साथ हम इक्वल दिखाते हैं. यहाँ पर हमने इक्वल दिखाया AD by इसमें, उससे पहले BD by QS करके दिखाने के बाद सिमिलर प्रूफ किया. सिमिलर प्रूफ करने के बाद बाय SAS क्राइटेरियन AD by PS जो है AB by PQ के साथ इक्वल हुआ. अब मेन स्टेटमेंट में AB by PQ की जगह पे AD by PS यानी मीन्स रेशियो ऑफ द मीडियंस हमने इक्वल करके दिखाया इस क्वेश्चन में. एंड ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट. सो वी गॉट द फाइनल आंसर, हेंस इट इज प्रूव्ड. सो आफ्टर यू अंडरस्टूड इट, like make it into sections, different sections. What is the first part, what is first section, second section, third section. Always divide the question. If it is a lengthy question, divide the question into parts, then it becomes easy. Like when you are learning dance, you learn it in different steps, right, different stanzas wise. In the same way, better you remember the answer like this. We'll go to the next question. Question number 7. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half of the area of the triangle described on one of its diagonals. Simply, there is a square. In this question, a square is given. I'm drawing a square here. Two, 4. Two, 4. Two. This is the square and we name it as ABCD. A, B, C, D. Now what is given in the question? Prove that area of an equilateral triangle. एक equilateral triangle है, कहाँ है वो? Described on one side of a square. स्क्वायर के जो 4 साइड्स है, 4 साइड्स में से किसी एक साइड के ऊपर ये बनाया गया ये ट्राइंगल, यानी कि टेकिंग वन साइड एज बेस a triangle is formed. So here I am, and that is an equilateral triangle also. Equilateral triangle का मतलब all 3 sides should be equal. So AB को बेस बना के ट्राइंगल बना रहे, मतलब AB स्क्वायर का जितना साइड होगा उतना ही साइड ट्राइंगल के बाकी दोनों भी होंगे. So here मैं जस्ट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली ड्रॉ कर दे रहा हूँ. इट्स अबाउट 5 centimeters. If it comes 5 centimeters, well and fine. It's going beyond. I'll just make it simple, little one. Okay, this is equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle and I name it as E. So ABE is an equilateral triangle. That means these 3 sides are same, equal. There is another triangle. Where it is formed? This is formed on one of its diagonals. There will be only 2 diagonals. So you can draw a diagonal here also, but I am taking here so that it will be clear, little clear. So here this is the diagonal and diagonal को बेस बना के एक और ट्राइंगल, डायगोनल का जितना लेंथ है उतना ही लेंथ का इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. इट्स अराउंड 7.5 centimeters. I'll just make it okay. So this is, I'll give name here F. ABCD square. इस स्क्वायर के एक साइड के ऊपर एक इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल बनाया गया ABE, एंड हियर देयर इज अनदर स्क्वायर ऑन द डायगोनल आल्सो इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल इज फॉर्म. दैट मीन्स DB is equal to BF is equal to DF. These 3 sides are equal. Now what is asked to prove? Prove that area of an equilateral triangle, यानी कि ABE triangle, area of ABE to prove. प्रूफ करना है. टू प्रूव एरिया ऑफ ABE इज इक्वल टू describe one side of a square is equal to half of area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. diagonal के ऊपर बनाया गया ट्राइंगल जो है उसके ऊपर ABE छोटा वाला and this one big one. Here we'll take this as DBF. So ये हमें प्रूफ करना है. This is the statement we need to prove. This area is equal to half of the bigger triangle area. So before that, ये ABCD यहाँ पे कुछ भी dimensions नहीं दिए हैं, so we take each one as side A. जैसे ना जनरल स्क्वायर के ले लेते हैं. So this is also A and this is A. So here this will also be A, this will also be A, because जितना बेस है उतना ही बाकी दोनों साइड्स भी होंगे, because it is equilateral triangle. Now if this is A, all these are A, what will be DB? Since it is an square, so here it is 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, ABD will be a right angle triangle. If this is right angle triangle, then DB is diagonal. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out DB value. We'll write by Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD, or you can write DBE also, DBA also, not an issue. Angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to, AB square plus AD square is equal to BD square. BD we need to know. BD square is equal to AB square is A square plus AD square is A square. So this is 2A square. We need only BD. So BD को A रहने दो, इस स्क्वायर को राइट साइड लेकर जाना. So square goes to other side and it becomes square root 2A square. Here this square root is applicable for both, belongs to both 2 and A square. So A square के लिए रूट कैंसिल हो जाएगा, लेकिन रूट 2 के लिए वैसे ही बना रहेगा. So it is root 2 into A. So BD value is root 2 into A. Okay. So now let us see how we are going to prove this one. What are these triangles ABE and DBF? What are these triangles ABE and DBF? These two triangles are equilateral triangles. So what are the properties of equilateral triangles? Equilateral triangles have all the angles and all the sides equal. All the angles are equal. That means angle A is equal to B is equal to E. And what are their measures? Each angle, चाहे वो कितना भी बड़ा क्यों ना हो, वो 60 degrees ही होगा. If it is an equilateral triangle, you draw it a smaller one or bigger one, measure will be 60 degrees only. Then what about DBF? Here also it is 60 only. So we can say that both the triangles, here we can write, since triangle ABE and triangle DBF are equilaterals, so all angles are equal to 60 degrees. Therefore by triple A criterion, all three angles दोनों में equal हैं. By triple A criterion, what we can say, triangle ABE is similar to triangle DBF. We have shown that these two triangles are equal. But ये खत्म नहीं हुआ. शो करना क्या है हमें? एरियाज के बीच में रिलेशन शो करना है. So if they are similar, then what is the statement we write? Therefore, area of those similar triangles ABE by area of DBF will be equal to square of their corresponding sides. What are their corresponding sides? We can take AB and DB, which are bases. So we can take AB by DB whole square. Areas of their areas of both the similar triangles is equal to square of their corresponding sides. Now here we have AB. How much? A. DB. How much we have? Root 2 A. Root 2 into A whole square. So it becomes, first of all, A and A get cancelled. What is left here? 1 in the numerator, root 2 in the denominator, and whole square. And then now square belongs to both the numerator and denominator. 1 square is 1, root 2 square, root 2 के ऊपर square, square root cancel. What is left? 1 upon 2. So area of ABE by area of DBF is equal to 1 by 2. Now we will take this one to right side. What is left? Area is equal to area of ABE is equal to this DBF comes this side, so it will be half is already there, so half into area of DBF. So I think this is what we are asked to prove. Prove AB is equal to half DBF, AB is equal to half DBF. So hence we have proved what we are asked to prove. Hence it is proved. Okay, so again let me give you the overall idea. ABCD is a square, AB is a side, उतना ही साइड लेंथ के हिसाब से एक ट्रायंगल बनाएगा, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. DB इज अ डायगोनल लेंथ को लेकर के एक और ट्रायंगल बनाएगा, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. नाउ इन दीज टू इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल्स वी हैव दिस इज ए एंड ये फाइंड करने के लिए हमने पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज़ किया, ये वैल्यू आ गया. उसके बाद ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को सिमिलर प्रूफ किया क्योंकि दोनों इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल्स, all equilateral triangles are, all equilateral triangles may not be congruent because their sides may be different, but all equilateral triangles are definitely similar because their sides ratio and angles will be in the same. Angles will be equal definitely, sides will be in the same ratio. So they are similar. If they are similar, we write the similarity statement and we get their areas is equal to, ratio of their areas is equal to 1 by 2, और उसमें से हमने सिंप्लीफाई करके ये प्रूफ कर दिया. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 6.4. Now question number 8. ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. ABC ट्राइंगल जो बनाएंगे उस ट्राइंगल में ही BC साइड जो होगा, BC साइड के ऊपर D एक मिड पॉइंट है और उसी ट्राइंगल के अंदर एक और इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल, ABC itself is इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल एंड ABC के अंदर एक और इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल बनाया गया. So find the ratio of those two equilateral triangles. That means simply very easy question. This is question number 8. ABC is an equilateral triangle. That means all three sides are equal and all angles are also equal. And D is the midpoint of, what it is said? D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint. अब BDE ट्राइंगल बनना है, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. BDE एक और ABC is equilateral triangle and BDE is also triangle. BDE is also equilateral triangle. That means BD, the third side will be somewhere else here equal to this length. So maybe something like this. This is E. Okay, they both are equilaterals. So as we have seen in the previous question, question number 7, two equilateral triangles will be similar because all the three angles are equal by triple A criterion. They are similar and their sides will be in the same ratio. If two triangles, as they are equilateral triangles, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDE. Why? By triple A criterion. मैं शॉर्टकट में आपको बता रहा हूँ. They both are similar. So what? If they are similar, area of ABC by area of BDE, smaller triangle, is equal to square of their corresponding sides. Maybe we can write it as BC is the bigger side and BD is the smaller side. Whole square is equal to then AB by BE whole square is equal to then AC by ED whole square. हमें यहाँ पर ट्राइंगल के कोई सा भी इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल हो, all three sides will be equal, but we don't know any sides measurement. We are considering let BC is equal to x. BC x है तो BD कितना होगा? How much? Then BD will be equal to BC, ये D मिड पॉइंट है तो BD x में आधा होगा. ये फुल लेंथ है तो उसमें आधा ही होगा ना. Now we can represent these values in here BC and here it is BD, not DD, it is BD. So represent these values in this area of ABC by area of BDE is equal to BC is x by BD is x by 2 whole square. We don't require to write this, only one is enough. In these two we can write it as x division x by 2 whole square. For simplicity purpose I am extending two more steps. X, we can take reciprocal into x by 2 becomes 2 by x and it gets cancelled. So we have 2 square which is equal to 4. 2 square by 1, so 2 by 1 whole square, this is 4 by 1. So area of ABC by area of BDE is equal to 4 by 1. So the same can be written as 4:1 as ratio. So in the given 4 options, do we have the answer? Option C is the correct answer for question number 8. Now we have one more question left over, that is 9. I'll explain that in. With this exercise will get over. Question number 9. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. दो ट्राइंगल्स हैं, उन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स हैं, दोनों का साइड्स रेशियो दिया है 4:9. इट्स गिवन. सो एरियाज ऑफ दीज ट्राइंगल्स आर इन द रेशियो. अब एरियाज किस रेशियो में होंगे? साइड्स 4:9 रेशियो में होंगे, तो एरियाज किस रेशियो में होंगे? टू ट्राइंगल्स आर देयर, smaller one or bigger one, or you can take both the same also. Let this be A, B, C, P, Q, R. Both are the similar triangles. So what is the formula that usually we write statement? Area of ABC by area of PQR is equal to AB by BC, like that. AB by PQ, BC by QR, CA by RP we write, but I'm not writing all those. I'm taking only one ratio. This is given how much? This is given as 4:9. So AB by PQ we can write it as 4:9 means 4/9 whole square, which is equal to, so 4/9 whole square means ये हमें फाइंड करना है, तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो आंसर आ गया 4 square 9 square is 4 square 9 square, which is equal to 16/81. Do we have this answer in the options? Yes, we have. 4 16:81. This is option D is the correct answer for question number 9. So that's about the exercise 6.4, in which we discussed about areas of the similar triangles. Two triangles similar हैं, तो उन दोनों सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स के जो साइड्स होते हैं, साइड्स का रेशियो का स्क्वायर्स भी इक्वल होते हैं. उससे पहले वाला एक्सरसाइज 6.3 में टू ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है तो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स इक्वल रेशियो में होते हैं. 6.4 में करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के स्क्वायर्स भी इक्वल होते हैं, किसके साथ? उनके एरियाज के रेशियो के साथ. सो दैट वाज 6.4 एंड वी आर लेफ्ट विथ one more topic, that is Pythagoras theorem. This, if we understand clearly, it becomes very easy to understand chapter 8, that is applications of trigonometry. क्योंकि ये Pythagoras theorem trigonometry में भी हमको Pythagoras theorem ही बार बार यूज करना रहता है. So that's about exercise 6.4. I hope you understood it. If you have still any doubts while watching, you can ask me during that time or later also. With the new topic, with the Pythagoras theorem topic, we'll meet tomorrow if we have regular class, otherwise on Monday. Till then, goodbye and good day.